cutting-edge pharmacogenomics lab where the future of personalized medicine is being crafted. Among the high-tech instruments, the Pharmaco Mini Vortex mixer by Xair plays a pivotal role. This compact yet powerful device ensures that every sample is mixed with utmost precision, a critical step in analyzing genetic variations and their impact on drug response. Its adjustable speed and ergonomic design make it an indispensable tool for researchers working at the intersection of genetics and pharmacology. Xair, a trusted name in laboratory equipment, with a decade of expertise, is dedicated to delivering top-quality instruments. The Pharmaco Mini Vortex mixer is engineered to meet the stringent requirements of pharmacogenomics studies, offering a blend of reliability and performance that is essential for advancing the field. For a limited time, Xair is offering an exclusive promotion on the Pharmaco Mini Vortex mixer. Enhance your research capabilities. To learn more about how the Pharmaco Mini Vortex mixer can accelerate your pharmacogenomics studies, you can contact me through my home page email address to learn more about the product. Let Xair be your partner in unlocking the potential of personalized medicine.